Hi there, it's Thursday lunchtime and I've made the executive decision to go on a bike ride instead of carry on working. Today I'm going to ride from Exeter Quay to Exmouth maybe, but it's pretty contingent on the weather, how cold I get and how hungry I get, because I haven't really had any lunch. So yeah, should be good. This is the estuary. Ahead, that is Exmouth, and then the mouth of the estuary goes out to the channel. It's pretty windy, it's southerly. I haven't really stopped up until now because cycling from Exeter Quay to Topsham, I don't really like it very much. It's mainly cycle paths on a really busy road. It's not very fun, it's just loud, and it's a shared cycle path with pedestrians, which isn't very useful when you've got a lot of cyclists. And then after that it's just quite busy. The footpath is busy and I hate talking to camera if there are people walking past because I feel like a twat. So I've stopped here and I've cycled 8 miles so far, so pretty much almost there really before I've actually bothered to stop. But it's nice. I mean, it was overcast, it's definitely improving now. Because now that the sun's come out, isn't it lovely? This is the bike I'm using. It's my mountain bike. It's not an ideal bike for this path because it has really wide tyres, but it's all I got right now because my road bike doesn't have any pedals on it. But it's an improvement from last week because at least I have a back brake now. Well, I found a swan. It to Exmouth, and the sun's kind of out, and there's a stiff breeze, and there's the seagulls. It's nice. It's worth a 10-mile pedal down Riverfall. Now I should probably head back and do some work. Yay! So I've just passed Lympstone Commando Marine Camp, mainly notable for its massive assault course and streams of young men in black shorts. There's one coming now, jogging up and down this path. But I just saw one with a buzz cut and an incredible moustache, which I'm assuming is from Movember, but it was amazing. I'm genuinely impressed, especially as it's only the 11th of November. He's doing well. This is a bird hide looking out over the marshes and Arts Farm, a very middle class establishment. There you will find the lesser spotted barber wearer, and maybe if you're lucky, the long-tailed jewels wearer. Word on the street has it that once a pair of DeBarrys was spotted there. It's just a rumour though. Well, made it home, and must admit, it gets dark quite early these days. Not sure I really realised that. I mean, that sounds really stupid, but I didn't really think about it. So it was quite dark towards the end of that. But it was a good ride. Wasn't really feeling it when I went out. I just wanted to see some kind of daylight before it got dark, and there's not much opportunity for that at the moment. But I actually weirdly enjoyed the return journey a lot more than I enjoyed going out there. It seemed like a bit of a chore to cycle all the way to Exmouth for not much reward, because there's nothing really to do in Exmouth during lockdown on a blustery, cold winter's day. So yeah, without much reward cycling down there, I struggled a bit. The return journey was a lot more fun because there is a reward at the end, which is my house and its coffee making facilities. So I had a much better return journey despite it being a bit dark. I mean, to be honest, the highlight really was seeing a Marine with a buzz cut sporting an incredible moustache. So I'm kind of pleased I saw that. Overall, I'm glad I got out. I mean, beggars can't be choosers in lockdown, really, can they? So, yeah. Anyway, hopefully I'll go for a much more exciting ride soon. If it's not going to rain this weekend, fingers crossed. And I'll catch up with you then. Alright, bye.